balita. Panoorin, agaran in real time, o balikan sa pag-scroll up and down. Mga balitang dapat malaman, impormasyong tunay at napakikinamagan. Saan ka man sa buong kapuluan, bangon sa bagong sigla, kababayan, kasama ang social media, our broadcaster ng bagong mamamayan, tapat sa pangulat. Ito po ang Presidential Broadcast Service sa Metro Cebu, Radyo Pilipinas, 576 AM.
You have been listening to DYMR Radyo Pilipinas Cebu, a broadcast station owned and operated by the Philippine Broadcasting Service, Bureau of Broadcast Services, Republic of the Philippines. DYMR Radyo Pilipinas Cebu operates from 6 in the morning to 8 in the evening on 576 kilohertz amplitude modulation with a power of 10,000 watts. Our transmitter is at Perelos, Carcar City, Cebu. Our studios and offices are located at the Cebu Technological University main campus, at the corner of MacArthur Boulevard and Palma Street, Cebu City. This station is being operated and maintained by the following personnel: Broadcast Operations Supervisor, Engineer Albert Serviste; Broadcast Operations Technician 3, Mario Mayorto; Ramon Acop, Edelberto Tabanyag; and Broadcast Operations Technician 2, Lazaro Cajegas Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for making DYMR Radyo Pilipinas Cebu a part of your day.
Bayang matiliw, pero sa sinanganan, anak ng puso, sabit mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, bulan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pagsisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong babaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingling, ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may di magdidilim,